In this video, I'll cover a wildly profitable affiliate marketing business that you can build in 7 days. If you are new to this channel, my name is Charles Draven from infospike.com. And on this YouTube channel, I provide a wide variety of tips as well as reviews on internet marketing courses and pretty much anything that will help you make money online through passive income. So let's go ahead and get started here. So how can you start this venture in 7 days? Affiliate marketing is a way to earn by promoting products you believe in. You don't need to create products, handle shipping, or manage customers. I'm going to provide you with a 7 day plan, break it down into steps so I can help you create a money making venture. And again, this is going to be as simple as you can build a business. And by focusing on clear actions each day, you can build a foundation for long term financial growth. Let's go ahead and get started with the first day here. Choose your niche wisely. You pick a niche where people are eager to spend money. Think about areas like fitness, technology, or home improvement. In my case, I've chosen make money online. If you think about some of the top niches since the beginning of time, it's been like in health, wealth, and relationships. And so making money online is just one of the ways to create wealth. So choose something that you enjoy and understand well, and as this will make content creation easier. I've actually gone into a bunch of niches. I'll say well over 100, and many of them I didn't have a very deep interest in. They're more like assets that I was building online virtually to make me money. And I could say that the ones that I've had more passion about, I've stuck with for many years. And once you dive into this business, you want to, of course, research products in your niche and find the affiliate programs that have some great commissions. A focused niche helps you stand out from competitors. And when you have that passion towards that niche, it's easier for you to develop the content and the value for your customers. Find products that sell. Look for products that are popular and offer solid commissions. You could check affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or ClickBank for reliable options. Focus on products with high ratings, low refund rates, and proven sales. If possible, choose items with recurring commissions for ongoing income. Create a simple list to track product details like commission rates and payment terms. Then you build your website. Your website is your home base for promoting affiliate products. You could start by choosing a relevant domain name and a hosting service. You could use WordPress to create a clean and user-friendly site. Include essential pages like your homepage, about page, product reviews. Focus on sharing helpful content that builds trust with your audience. Don't worry about perfection, just get started. And if building a website seems very tough right now, or maybe it's not within your budget, you could even use a website like Medium to post content on. Day 4, create buyer focused content. So content is what drives visitors to your website. I also call this organic traffic. It's the type of marketing that you can do without paying for advertising. And so one of the ways to get people to view your offers, your pages where you're promoting your products and services is by creating content. So the way you do this is that you write detailed product reviews, comparison list, and how-to guides. For example, this video is kind of like a how-to guide. Anything that's informational can help out your consumers or your potential customers. Use keywords like best, review, and how-to in your titles to attract buyers. Add affiliate links naturally within your content. The goal here is to provide value while encouraging readers to explore the products you recommend. Then you drive traffic to your site, and this is something that is essential to your success. What you do is you research keywords that people use when searching for products in your niche, optimize your content for those keywords to increase visibility. You could use social media platforms like Pinterest or YouTube to share your content, and join relevant Facebook groups or forums where your audience spend time in. Consistency in traffic generation builds momentum. And I want to really emphasize this that this really is the lifeblood for your business. Once you create your content and put products, like let's say the affiliate links within your content to promote them, you'll have to spend a lot of time building traffic. And if you are brand new to this, just think about Just having whether it's one or a handful of products and services that you are promoting. Again, these are other people's products and services. The bulk of the time for me that I spend my time on is driving traffic to my website. And this is something that I think it's often something that is ignored for people that are just starting out. It's building an email list. Before I jump into this description, I want to let you know if you have ever done offline business, or maybe you have seen how other businesses out there in the real world, how they're actually building their business. They'll typically have a list of potential customers. And of course, once they acquire customers, they'll have another list of people that are their customers, their buyers. And this right here, what I'm talking about, has been transferred into a more automated way online where you can reach out to people that are interested through email. And so this list, again, it's kind of like your own database, but it's within this virtual world, on a website that contains this database, and that is your email list. So an email list helps you stay connected with your audience. You can offer free resources like a guide or checklist to encourage people to sign up. And then you use an email service provider to manage your list and send automated welcome messages. Share helpful tips in your emails and recommend products that solve specific problems. A strong email list creates a reliable revenue stream. This is actually a very huge tip here. And one of the things that I hear time and time again, just across well over a decade, people that build an affiliate business, they just say, gosh, I wish I built my email list from the beginning or early on. So this is something that you'll want to do. If it's not on day 6, just make sure that you build it as soon as possible. And all this stuff sounds like it's something that might be complex, but it's actually easy. These email systems, they actually set up user experience that is just easy for people to use, even beginners, even if you've never ever built an email list before. And I'll provide some resources in my video description to help you out. Day 7, evaluate and improve. So far, you've gone through the steps to set up your business, the foundations. And then what's going to happen, especially after you start driving traffic, is that you're going to get some results over time. So the main thing here is you track your results to see what's working. You could use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your traffic and conversions. Pay attention to which links get the most clicks and which products generate the most income, and make small improvements based on that data, like testing new headlines or improving call to actions. Over time, these adjustments can significantly grow your business. And another thing that I want to mention here is that when you are monitoring your conversions, the way that you can check that is you log into your affiliate program's website, whether that's a network or maybe it's a merchant like an online store that provides affiliate tracking. You'll be able to see how much people are actually visiting your affiliate links, how many people are actually buying, how many sales that you make. So those are very good statistics to actually review. And then from there, you could, of course, see what's working and what's not and improve from there. That's a very crucial part. You'll be getting feedback over time, and you have to use that feedback to improve. And that's how you become a better marketer online. So I've talked to you about the 7 steps it takes to build up a traditional affiliate marketing system. If you want to even simplify this even more, I want to provide you with a free PDF. This PDF is going to show you a simple way to generate income online. All you have to do is check out the link in my description and go from there. Check out the first link and I'll be able to help you out. My name is Charles Draven from infospike.com. I want to thank you for watching.